This week's module is the first part of Chapter 2, which is the most important chapter that we're going to cover in all of Chem 100. Chapter 2 gives you the skills to solve the vast majority of all the problems that you're going to see for the rest of the semester. So it's very important that you follow the lecture notes and that you learn this procedure called dimensional analysis, which allows you to correctly solve chemistry problems. There are other methods to get the correct answer to some problems. However, if you learn this dimensional analysis, that technique will help you when we get to later chapters where the problems will become more complicated. We're also going to be looking at Chapter 2 next week. So, for example, the homework for Chapter 2 is not done until Module number 3. This week, what you're going to be doing is completing the Chapter 2 lecture notes, read the text, do the skill builder and conceptual checkpoint questions. Remember, you also have lab experiment number 1, which is an introduction to the lab safety procedures. So it's important that you work through all the steps in that lab. And remember, submit your lab reports for the pre, the data, and the post lab. All of that has to be put in the Dropbox by Friday night at 11:30. Also this week, you have a discussion board. The discussion board is all about your plans for how you're going to study Chem 100. And the discussion boards are always the original post due Thursday night rather by 11:30, and then you have to respond to 2 of your classmates by Sunday at 11:30.